everybody, this is Sean from New World Reviews, and I'm going to do an unboxing of what's in this box. It's the K270 keyboard from Logitech. It's actually a wireless keyboard. Let's bring it over to my desk. It's a wireless keyboard that I kind of bought just so I could quit using my laptop keyboard. So let me go ahead and unbox it. Here, let me set the camera down. I'll unbox it and show you guys what you get in the package. So, as you can see, when you open the package, you get a bunch of bubble wrap, some promotional information. Let's throw that on the floor. And you get the keyboard. Okay, everybody, this is it. It's the Logitech Wireless Keyboard K270. And just in case you're looking for other reviews on this product, in Japan it's called Logitech, not Logitech. And so if you want to see more reviews than just mine, you can type in Logitech and you'll get the same product. So let's take a look at the packaging and see what it says. It says here 2.4 gigahertz. I think you can use it up to 33 feet away. It has not the chiclet style keyboard that you see on Mac computers, but it's the taller keys. We'll show you those in a minute. The battery life, it's supposed to last up to 24 months. That's 2 years with the normal battery. It comes with a nano unifying receiver, which is common in a lot of Logitech products today. In fact, I use a Logitech mouse, which already has the nano receiver, as you can see in the side of my computer. And you can also connect up to 6 devices with one nano receiver, so there's no need to buy any more. I'm going to go ahead and cut through some of the plastic here, and we'll take this thing out of the box. Okay, here's the keyboard itself. And I'll kind of give you guys a 360 view. Here's the USB, that's the nano receiver right there. I don't know if it will focus, but that's it. Works through USB, and it works through any USB. You don't have to have a USB 3. It really doesn't matter the speed of your USB connection. So you see there's some product information, tells you how to set it up, and there's also some software that you can download off of Logitech's website so that you can add extra USB devices like this mouse to your one nano receiver, so you only have to put one into your computer. So here's the keyboard itself, and as you can see, it's a full-size keyboard and it has 8 hotkeys at the top. It's got play, pause, mute, volume up and down, home key, email, PC on and off, and a calculator button, which might come in handy. Has an on-off switch here and your keypad. And as you can see from the side, it's white and black. It's kind of a two-tone coloration. Here's the bottom of the device. You can see that it has this is a 8% elevation, or excuse me, 8-degree elevation that it gives you, so you can set it up for more comfortable typing. And I'm going to use this thing over the next 2 or 3 days, and then the second part of this video will be a review of this keyboard. So again, this is the Logitech K270. Just look in the title for the name of this product. Right now Best Buy is offering it for $14.99 with free shipping. But that deal is likely to change, but just keep your eyes open for it. And I'll give you a review next time I see you.